Morning guys. So that's the hotel we're staying in today. Just woken up about an hour ago. Come for a little run before breakfast. Roughly about a 6-kilometre run we've got, so just a short one. We're still not well, so we're using that as our excuse. Both coughing and sniffling and can hardly breathe most of the time. But we're just by Bassenthwaite Lake in the Lake District near Keswick. Yeah, just heading over towards the lake. So yeah, we're not doing a lot of running today. We've got a table booked at Longclube, Michelin star restaurant in Cartmel, as this is our honeymoon stroke Minimoon from getting married 2 weeks ago. So we did treat ourselves to a nice meal. Ready for more mud?
Yeah.
We'll be ready for breakfast after all this. What time was breakfast? 8:15? Till 9:30. So we'll get back to the room after this, have a quick shower and go and get a breakfast. It's a good gate, this one. Ducks. Someone's put stepping stones here for us. Oh no. Stepping stones are underwater. That one's all right. Next one's not. And there's barbed wire to hold on to. Oh no. They're all right. Take your time with them though. The log. Right in the middle of the log underwater. Mhm. Yep. Yeah, well done you. That was interesting.
Oh, feet are tight.
I know, yeah. Could have just walked through the lake. So hopefully that's the end of us getting our feet wet today. Just got to follow this road back to the main road, so we won't go back the same way we came. But yeah, only a short 6k-ish run today, as we're still not well. But yeah, straight down this road, back to the hotel, have a shower. So we just last little path back to the hotel now. Found this, save us running down the main road. And it takes us straight back to the hotel, which is handy. A little bit of forest along the trail.